hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon for getting new updates. So first of all, I log in Kali Linux. This is 2019.4 version of Kali Linux. So now open the terminal. So first of all, I open the terminal and simply you have to install xrdp tool in Kali Linux. So simply type the command in terminal. I'll give the command in description where you can simply copy and paste from the description. So it is totally depend on your internet speed how time it will took. So in my case our xrdp tool is successfully installed. Now we have to start the services. So I'll also type the command in description. All three commands simply you have copy and paste from the description. So now our xrdp tool is successfully set up. Now first of all check your IP address with the help of ifconfig command, and then you have to create a user because we cannot access the remote desktop with the root user. So we have to create a user. So if you don't know how to create a user, so simply click on I button where I explain how to create and how to delete user in Kali Linux. So simply with the help of this command you can check the group of Kali Linux. You can give the permission to sudo. I explain all in video. So now come to the Windows 10 and simply type RDP. So it will show you remote desktop connection. Type the IP address of Kali Linux and hit OK. Now here you have to enter the username and password. So I simply type both of them, and now you can check our Kali Linux is successfully accessed by remote desktop connection from Windows 10. So you can check. I'm simply open the terminal and type here who am I command, which is show you the current user which is login in terminal. So simply if I type the command who am I, so it will show you the username which is techdhee. So now I am switching the username to root. So with the help of this command, so now our root user is login successfully. So you can check by yourself if you want. So simply I'll show you with the help of who am I command. So it is root. So now second one I'll show you the IP address of Kali Linux. This is the same IP address from my Kali Linux. So you can run any tool in Kali Linux with the help of this tool. So you can access Kali Linux from anywhere, any location. You can simply took the access your Kali Linux. Simply you have to configure your network so you can access from other location. So simply you can run any tool in Kali Linux with the help of remote desktop connection from Windows 10 or Windows 7. Simply it will took the remote. You can maximize the window, minimize all, it's depend on you. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.